In this video, we will solve this problem, which is write the definition of the given graph. Okay, so it's pretty obvious this is a piecewise defined function, and we have two pieces of domain, and one is from negative infinity all the way to 0 with 0 included, and the other piece is from 0 to 6, right? So 0 is not included and 6 is included. So we have two pieces of the domain. So this function f, regardless what the equation is, I know we have two pieces of domain. One is if x is less than or equal to 0, and the other piece is if x is greater than 0 but less than or equal to 6. Okay, so now let's talk about the left side of the domain. So for this piece of graph, it's pretty obvious that's a line, so it should be in the form of y equals mx plus b, right? So all we have to do is to find its y-intercept and the slope, right? The y-intercept is right here, which is 0. So I know b here is equal to 0. Okay, what is the slope? The slope is rise over run. So we can start from the y-intercept and go up 1 point and to the left by 1. So it looks like it's 1 over negative 1. So the slope is negative 1. All right, so we have this line figured out. It's negative 1x plus 0. So it's negative x. All right. So first equation, we got that defined. Now let's look at the second piece of the domain. All right. The second piece, we're talking about this piece over here, right? That's also a line, right? It should be also in the form of mx plus b. Again, we just need to find the slope and the y-intercept. And it looks like the y-intercept is 6, and the slope is down 1 over 1, also negative 1. So your equation should be negative x plus 6. And here we write the definition of this graph function. It's a piecewise function. And I hope you find this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video.